Hello all students, welcome back. So let us see the last program of the assignment in this video. I will read the question first of all. Write a program to enter your name, marks of 5 subjects, and that can be any 5 subjects. Calculate total and percentage. Not a very difficult job, but let us read the note. Each marks have to be entered out of 100. Okay. Passing mark is 33. No problem. Student's name, total and percentage must be displayed only when the student is passing individually in all the papers. And remember, marks are out of 100. Passing mark is 33, and I will display student's name just like a small report card. I will display student's name, total and percentage only when the student is passing individually in all the papers. Okay, no problem. Let us copy this so that I need not see the question here again and again. Pasted here, and I don't want this to be executed, so commented. Sorry. Let us start with the basic. Write a program to enter your name and marks of 5 subjects. We will break down the program into small parts. We will first handle this part. I want the name and marks of 5 subjects. No problem. Name obviously in raw underscore input. Let us say enter your. Let us not say your. Enter student's name. Okay. Now marks of 5 subject I want. Okay. So let us say I have to enter lot of repetitive data. So what I will do, I will copy once, enter marks of physics. The variable is phy. Okay. Physics is there. Chemistry is there. I want 5 subjects now. So obviously third one we will take up English. Fourth one we will take up computer science. And last one, I think you can choose your personal preference, maths or bio, whatever you want. I will choose obviously mathematics. Okay, so I think the first part of the program which I intended is over. Now calculate total and percentage. Okay, chalo, we will do it now only, then we will see what to do. We can reposition it. Calculate total and percentage. So it is always advisable directly not print. Calculate the variable total. Total equal to physics plus chemistry plus English plus computer science plus maths, and percentage na. So we will calculate percentage equal to, remember we are you can say dividing, and obviously it is a safe approach to typecast it to float. So float of total. What is the formula of percentage? You can say total divided by grand total. What is the grand total? Grand total is 500, just for a safe approach. Total divided by grand total multiplied by 100. Now there is one common logical error that happens. This we discussed in 10th standard. What will happen if I directly multiply by 100? It will work something like total divided by grand total, and again in denominator multiply by 100. So that may go wrong. So that is why I entered, just to be extra sure, I entered one bracket. That means operation inside in this bracket is one singular thing, and once this bracket is over, again back in the numerator we have 100. Okay. So total and percentage is ready. I will just print what I want to print. I want student's name, total and percentage to be printed. So let us format the output properly. Later on it is just a matter of repositioning. That's it. Print student's name, and that is stored in the variable name. Okay, I do not want to display marks of all subjects. That you can do individually, because we are chalo, let us do it. Okay, we are doing things, we will do it properly. Physics phy, chemistry, what's the variable? Variable is CHE. We are just trying to print something like a report card, nothing else. English, ENG, then what is there? Then computer science is there. Print computer science, CS, and I think last one we chose here is mathematics. And the student had scored this variable. Now things are ready with me. Things means total and percentage is ready with me. Print total, just write up the variable and print percentage. Done. This program can be further modified. Further modified means based on the percentage you can display the grade of the student. So this program can easily be further modified. Then grade of the student means that grading has to be, I think we did some of that in live class, that if grade percentage is more than 90, give the grade A1, percentage is more than 80. That can also be implicated in this program if required. So my basic program is over. Now I want to check up the conditions. Enter marks out of 100 for each subject. Okay. So chalo, student can enter out of 100. We will think about it at the later end if we can do something. Passing mark is 33, no problem. This I have to handle, that all these data should be displayed. If all these data should be displayed only when the student is individually passing in all the subjects. That is only the case now, when the student is passing in all the subjects. The passing mark is 33 means all this data should be displayed only when student passes in all the subjects. Okay. So let us choose the easiest method. I want to check whether the student is passing in all the subjects togetherly, not the total, individually in all the subjects. Because total scheme is different. A student may score 90 in computer science, but he or she may score 17 in physics. So that is technically considered not pass. So what I can do, if physics, we just want to pass the student and passing mark is 33, is greater than 32. Greater than 32 means obviously it is 33. And chemistry greater than 32, and English greater than 32, and CS greater than 32, and this is not English, so do not think that and is a keyword, and maths greater than 32. Now what if student is getting greater than 32 in all of them? Then only he is passing and then only this will be displayed. Okay. So what I will do, I have written everything perfectly, but my indentation is missing. Indentation means I already wrote it in advance, but my indentation is missing. So what I will do, I will select everything. There is an option, format, indent region. Now just once I press this button, observe what happens. Code will be self-indented. As you can see, all code came inside if. Now what if this is not true? What if student is not scoring more than 32 in all the subjects? That means he is failing in one of them. So else you can display a message. I don't want to go into that much detailing, but just we will print a message that sorry, you failed. Okay, that is what is the logic of the program. Let us see if my program works, and then we will see if we can perform plus minus something in the program for the case of handling. Okay, just we will see. Enter student's name. Any name that came to my mind. Let us first of all pass the student. Let us at least be sure that our thing works properly, and then we will see the failing case. Okay, student is passing, total is correct, and percentage is also correct. I just want to, you can say, make one thing. say total is out of 500 na, so let us display it properly. Fine. Now let us try to pass the student in all subject but fail him in one subject. Okay, as you can see, passing in all, failing in one. So technically our program is not executing the logic, it is displaying that sorry, you have failed. So I more or less feel that my program will work very properly for all of you. My program will work very properly for all of the cases. But just I want to give one small task to you. Okay, what if this? What if this? The student's name same. Because I told you, whenever I design a program, I see it in a program that what are the shortcomings in the program, what user can enter by mistake which my program is not handling. So definitely there is one thing my program is not handling, that is this. This is the last subject na. Paper was out of 100, by mistake I entered something that is more than 100 and my program is working. Oh, there is nothing wrong, my program is working very smoothly. Okay, so this should not be the case, this should not be the case. Okay, so what we can do, what is the shortest possible change that we can do so that this one small shortcoming is removed. Also there is one thing, chalo, let me give you the second shortcoming. Okay, just let me fail. What if this? So character, though it will give me an error only. What if this? Technically never possible. Okay, program is accepting data. Okay, program is accepting data. Technically, even if the student cheats, teacher will not give him this much of minus marks. So there is some shortcoming to my program. Okay, okay, my program is working well. That negative marks means it is less than 33. That means student is failing. But I think at this level, at your level, it is not totally possible to handle all the things. Okay, I am not going to, you can say, give the solution for this now. Okay, you will just have to wait for a few more chapters, you will get solution of such kind of things. Yes, you can try. Program will become lengthy, but I just want to explain you that whenever you design a program, there can be shortcomings to your program. Means your program may not be able to handle all the inputs properly. So this was one or two of the things that I discussed, that you are entering marks more than 100, that you can, I think, easily handle, but I don't want to make the program more complicated. That your user is entering marks more than 100, program is accepting, giving us everything correct, user is entering marks less than 0, which is technically not possible in an exam na. Okay, so these kind of things you have to make take into consideration whenever you are designing projects. Okay, which will be there at the end of the session, that whenever you are designing projects, even in 11th standard, even in 12th standard, you have to design a program which should be able to handle all possible valid inputs. Okay, so solution of this, if I give now, many of you will have, you can say, logical misunderstandings. So just wait for a few chapter. Again, we will come towards this program, and once this that exception handling is, you can say, chapter is taught, you will be able to handle the shortcomings which I explained here. Otherwise, logically, my program is perfectly working. So you can try the same at your home. So that would be all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.